Welcome back, goddesses. Today I am going to share a little secret with you that I use with Sophie, and I have shared it with other moms, and they also love it. So now I want to share it with you. And is our kids don't love to eat quinoa by itself, but quinoa is such an amazing grain that I found a way how to give them quinoa. So today we're gonna make quinoa with rice, and I'm gonna show you how to give your kids quinoa. Come and we do it together. Okay, so here we have 1 cup of short brown rice, salt, and quinoa. So when you start, use the smallest measure. Here I'm using 1/4, but start with 1/8. And my rice was soaking on water all night. I washed it 3 times before soaking it. Now I wash it once more. I add the quinoa and I wash it together. And now we're gonna cook it after I wash it. So yes, this is amazing because quinoa is not what kids love the most, but like this, they truly like it. So, and this combination of quinoa with rice has a lot of protein and nutrients. So we're gonna add 2 cups of water. I'm rinsing the quinoa out of my hands. And here's the second cup. And of course, when I soak it the night before, I do it with kombu. And I cook it with kombu. I don't serve it in my kids' plate, in Sophie's plate, I don't. This is the salt I use, but you can use a little bit more. Okay, it's boiling, so we leave it 10 minutes boiling. And after those 10 minutes, we put it in our lowest setting, very low heat until it dries, but it's still a little bit humid. And now I'm gonna serve it to Sophie, my 4-year-old, in this way, because when she sees rice or any grain served this way, she loves it. Everything starts by how it looks. So I'm gonna add some Gomasio. Gomasio, Sophie loves Gomasio. So here it is. Enjoy it, and I hope your kids enjoy it too. Thank you for sharing this space with me. If this recipe nourished you or left you something beautiful, I would love to hear from you in the comments. And if you would like to keep exploring recipes like this, um, you can support this space with a like and by subscribing. If you would like to connect further, you can always follow me in Instagram, where I share more recipes and daily inspiration. See you in the next video.